Alright, so this is a little overview how this laser engraver works. Right now I'm going to engrave something, which is this Overwatch logo that I have here. This is the program that you have. And the program's pretty easy to use. My only issue was when I first opened it up, it was in some other language and I could not switch it. When you open up the program, if it's in a different language, you can try two things. Right here on the edge where the mouse is moving, on the third one, that is settings. You go to settings and then you go to languages, and then you can click down and it opens up a whole entire little tab of all those languages. For some reason mine wasn't working, it didn't want to work properly. So what I had to do was I actually opened up the program and basically you open up the program that's on the USB drive, and then you can start it by going down here, right, and clicking on it. So what I did instead was I went to translations, clicked on it, and it opens up this file, and then translations is all the languages as you it has, right? So then I just picked EU or EN for English, and then I just clicked and dragged that on top of the program and started it that way, and that's how I got it to just stay on English. I don't know if this was an issue for everyone or if it was just for me, but yeah, that's what I did. Anyways, the program's super simple to use. Like right now it's doing the logo. I don't know if you can see that on my laptop. It's an Overwatch logo, and then it says Overwatch. And basically, if you want to load a picture, all you do is click and drop. You open up your like picture tabs or whatever, download the picture, whatever you want. Open up your picture tab where you saved it. You grab the picture and then drop it into the program, and then you can do it from there. And then right now this is the page where it basically tells you what the sizes are, like how big is it gonna be. And then to connect to the printer itself, the engraver, you just click on the USB up here. You can also move around this to see how big or where your engraving area is. So far, like I've been playing around with it. I don't know everything about it, but you can grab onto this little yellow thing and then move that anywhere you want, and then the laser engraver moves with it. So if you want to make sure that it's going to print where it needs to print, that's how I'm been doing it. But I'm actually looking into other programs. This one is like a really simple program to use. It's just I want it for different. I want it for something else. So, but I mean the program works. It works fine on Windows 7, I think. I think this is 7. Anyways, when you set up your printer, make sure you put the little lens protector thing over there, because the laser hurts your eyes. It could damage your eyes. So make sure you have that on and installed, because you don't want to go blind by using this. And it hasn't finished printing. Let me just stop it. Oh, since I stopped it, this is where you edit. You go to this page to edit. You got all the little items and text fonts you can use and all that, and you know, do whatever. Once you're done editing whatever you want to do, you just go down here and click done. Or if you want to save your work, you go over there to save. This is just a clear. So just click done, and then that'll take you to the place where you can print. And let me show you. I printed on some cardboard because I was printing on other things. So anyways, this is the top of the Overwatch. Let me see if you can see that. I don't know if it's gonna zoom in. Yeah, so it engraves really good. I mean, it would be better if it was flat and it wasn't like, you know, like this. But I just needed, you know, to show really quick. And so that basically is this part right up here. So it engraves pretty good. Like I said, make sure the number one thing is, if you don't have the glasses, make sure you put this on, because you don't want to mess up your eyes for no reason. Anyways, so far I like it. It's worked out well. I have no issues with it. I'm still learning how to use the program. And yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. this is when you click done. This is what I want to show you. So if you mouse this over, you can see the little laser over there move with it. So like if I was printing on my wallet, I could go like this and then go down here to see where exactly it's going to start printing. Like I said, there might be another way, I just haven't figured it out yet. I'm still playing around with it. Overall, I like it.